All of you are welcome to this particular press briefing. So, good afternoon to all my friends from the media, my additional deputy commissioner and other block fellows and officers. So, tomorrow there is a special day, that is Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, shall be celebrated tomorrow. That is in this nationwide program. This is a program. It is under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The Government of India declared November 15th as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas in 2021. That is the backdrop. And tomorrow, since it was being conceived in the year 2021, again tomorrow we are going to celebrate it here in Hamran, that is headquarters of the Karbi Anglong. Fact remains, this significant date marks the birth anniversary of tribal freedom fighter Dhariti Aba Bhagwan Birsa Munda. You might be knowing Birsa Munda. So, just to commemorate him on his birth day at the same time, this particular date is being selected as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas and from 2021, and tomorrow is such a date. Basically, we are going to celebrate in this district in Hamran headquarters, where we are going to have a sort of interactions and a briefing, as well as steps supposed to be taken up in the coming days with objectives of Government of India. It is a centrally sponsored scheme. Basically, we are under this particular program. We are going to have a ERMS, that is Ecolabo Residential Model School in Donka. So what would be there? Basically, it would be a model school who should be basically having all those facilities of boarding and all that. And this should be in the history of West Karbi Anglong, or maybe in Karbi Anglong they are taking up some other schemes at the same time. Only few places of Assam that got selected under this particular program of ERMS, Ecolabo Residential Model School. So tomorrow, this site has been selected in Donka at the same time. Since things have not started as of now, already it is being earmarked, the land, and in the coming days, the project would be in the offing. To Kailoi tomorrow, this should be formally announced at the same time, and in that particular virtual Bhumi Pujan and all that, we will be all present tomorrow in the VC, that is at around 11 a.m. So what would be there? Historic initiatives and milestones under this particular program on Janjatiya Gaurav Divas 2023. Prime Minister Modi became the first Prime Minister to visit the birthplace of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. On this sacred ground, the launch of two landmark initiatives, that is Prime Minister Janjatiya Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhijan, a comprehensive campaign focused on ensuring justice, rights and opportunities for the tribal communities. Justice, rights and opportunities. So, just to go ahead with this particular agenda is the main objective of inclusive growth. So, whosoever from our Janjati sort of flags basically, so that for their total rights, privileges, that is opportunities and justice, just to ensure those justice, rights and opportunities for the tribal communities. Here in Karbi Anglong also, West Karbi Anglong also, we are going to have an ERMS school for the first time in the history. So tomorrow is a great day for West Karbi Anglong in the process. So we are going to be here, and I would like to request all of you to be just part of it in the tomorrow's program. And here in this program, we will all come to know what are the other incentives we are going to have under this particular program tomorrow on the celebration of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Already you might be knowing that under Niti Aayog we are having aspirational 3 blocks, no? Niti Aayog under different umbrella, of course, but it is having the same objectives, thus to bring this Janjati, that is tribal areas, and the people of tribal culture, heritage and origin, so that they should be having that inclusive growth in the mainstream. So these are the backdrop basically under which from tomorrow onwards, that is a different program, and I would like to just invite all of you to be there as a part of this particular program. And from other stakeholders also, they are coming to Amai just to provide us. We are going to have a brief meeting, and we are going to have some brief discussion actually what we are going to have in the coming days under this particular ERMS. So that's all for today. And briefing is that you are supposed to just cover up, and in the process you would come to know ERMS and other things which in the coming days we can have under this particular Janjatiya Gaurav Divas program. And at the same time, at school level also, there is a concept of this special leader, Janjati leader, Birsa Munda. So every schools basically, they need to have a deliberations on Birsa Munda in every school. Since education is a subject under the transferred subject of council, so we have already informed them that they should hold certain sort of form of lectures as well as deliberations by the students as well as teachers fraternity, so as to make them understand who was Birsa Munda and why this particular day and what is the significance of this celebration of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. So that's all from my side, from my desk. We are going to call all the videos tomorrow. They are going to have a different agenda also at the same time in their block level. So tomorrow you are going to be getting a detailed sort of outcome of this particular project. Thank you.